Hello. Now I will show you that how you can open our Flutter project in Windows device, and later on you can export the app and install on your various Android mobile phones. As I'm using Windows device, so I will focus on Android devices only. But I will show you that how you can change the app icon, app name, and others. So let's start. So what you will give from us is a zip file of the project. So first we'll unzip the project file. So I'm using WinRAR. You can use any other software to unzip the project. So I'm extracting it here. So here is our project file. So now what you will need is a code editor. So Android Studio is recommended. I'm using Android Studio. So I'm opening the Android Studio first. After opening the Android Studio, you just have to open the project file. So I'm click on open, and as I have extracted the project file on desktop, so I'll go to a desktop and select the project file and open it. That is the project file opening. Wait a moment, it will open fully. So here you can see that project file is opened. Now uh, cut this and just wait for some times to initialize the whole app. So you will see some errors here. So first you will have to get the dependencies as the project is opening for first time. So you will have to sync the app with your code editor. So we'll click on get dependencies. It will take some time, and it will take all the dependencies from internet. So after getting all dependencies, it must have to show 0. Then if it shows 0, then it is okay. So let's remove it, and now what we'll do first, we'll change the app name. For that you have to go to Android, then app, then src, then main, and here you can see that Android manifest.xml. Open it, and here is you can see a thing which is known as Android label. Here is, as our app name is book app, so we have named it book app. So we have to change it. You can give any name, so I'm currently keeping it as book app. You have to change it on your requirement, as per your requirement. So cut it after changing. No need to save anything, as Android Studio save everything automatically. After that, we'll change the app logo, which is app icon will show on the mobile launcher. So for that you have to go to the asset folder. Before that we have to take two files, which is known as one is the app icon, and is app background, app icon background. So we'll need this two file, and you just have to name this file as icon.png and background.png. After that you just have to copy these files. As I'm using book app, so I have this book app logo. Then you will have to go to book app folder, then assets, then icons, and here you will have to paste those files. As I already have those files, so it will ask to replace. I'm replacing, and here two files are pasted already. After that you'll have to go back to your project, and you have to go to pubspec.yml, and you'll have to press pubget again. Here is the pubget. After uh, mm, doing this, we can cross it, and after that we'll have to run a command which we'll provide in our documentation. The command is dart run flutter launcher icons. After that just press enter. It will automatically change your app icons, which you will see in launcher app launcher later on. After that minimize this, and all the setups are done. Now what you will need to do is run the app on your Android device. Like I'm using emulator. So first I'm wiping data. You don't need to do this. I'm just doing this for my purpose. After that run the mobile application. You can use your own Android device connecting via USB or wirelessly. It will take some time. Okay, you can see that my mobile is running on an emulator. So now we'll run the application on this emulator to see the updates. So what you will have to do is select the emulator from here. Select Pixel 9 Pro XL mobile as I'm using this emulator. Select it and click on run the main. So it will take some time to run the app, approximately 10 to 10 minutes on your device configuration. So I will wait, and until then, I'm showing you some additional settings you will need to do for your application. So I'm just minimizing this for now. So let's see how you can change the API URL for your API connecting to this application. For this, you will have to go to lib folder, then you will have to go to app. Then you can see here is a file named as URLs. You just have to open it, and here you can see that base URL. You just have to change this base URL as per your API URL. You just have to put your API URL here. No further slashes is required here. You will just have to put your API URL here, and that is totally fine. After that, you will have to restart your app, and you can see your API data in your application. Now also you can change some of your app text colors and other things. You can change it from app colors. Here is some default colors I have set. The primary and secondary color is automatically will get from your API, so that is not important to change from here. But the others supporting colors you can change from here. Also, you can check some assets that you can change, which is default or base assets from your core application. You can change it from here and put those assets in this image folder, and you can change it from your core code, and you can show them in application. These assets are totally based on the API website, so you don't need to really change all these assets. It's not required that much, but if you wish to change, you can change it from here. Okay, now our application is running. You can see installing the Flutter application on the emulator. So here is the logo we have changed previously. It is the launcher icon. The main app logo you can change from API, which you will load on after this. You can see it. As it is first time, it will take some time, as all the colors and data are coming from API, so it will take some time to initialize the app for the first time. After on, later on, it won't take that much time to load the app. It is just for the first time after installing the app. Okay, our app is opening now. You can see this is the home page of the app, and on first opening it will ask to allow the notification if you want to. I'm just allowing this, and this is it. As it is first time, it is loading all the API data here. I can see it after that. So now I will show you that how you can export the app to install on Android devices. So I'm just uh, closing it for now. Okay, to export the app on for Android devices, you can do it in two ways. First way, you will get a big file that will not recommended. So first, you will have to do the easy way, that you can do it from here. Click on the main menu, and here you can see build. After that, here over here, and you can see that build APK. Click on build APK. It will build the APK, and you can install it on your phone. And I will show you other way that will uh, decrease the file size of the APK. So for that, I'm using a command. So for that, I will open a terminal, and I will run this command: flutter build APK split per API. It will uh, build the app per mobile phone. and it will decrease the app size. So after pasting this command line, enter on, it will export the app. It will take some time. So the file build is completed. Now you can use the application on your mobile. So now I'll now show you that where you can find the file. So for that you'll have to go to the project folder again, open the project folder and get into build. After that go to inside app and you can see outputs, open Flutter APK, and here all the files are available. The first file is recommended to install any Android devices. So here all it is. If you see any errors to build or install the application, you can feel free to contact our support anytime. Thank you.